Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 21 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now for this process you will need a SIM ejector. They come provided with the device and the box, so you can get it from there. Or you could also just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one or the other, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, on that side of it obviously, and then push the pin in, the tray will pop out. So let's just pull out the tray completely, and in here you'll have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Obviously if you plan to use two SIM cards you won't be able to use the SD. And if you plan to go with two SIMs, you'll just place the SIM right over here on the SD tray, but if you're going with one of each, let's move it over and then drop the SD right along here, like so, and from there insert it back into the device. There we go. So there's the pin for the SIM card, and SD card should be working just as well, which you can see right over here. So that is how you would insert both SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.